Leslie Wolf-Creutzfeldt, Executive Director of the China U.S. Women's Foundation. Thanks for joining us for Sage Live. I'm here at the China Institute with Lin Yan, you can pronounce it better, and we've just had a wonderful discussion about Chinese and American art. So could you just tell us a little bit about your use of the environment in your art? That seems to be one of your themes, like light and air.
Yes, actually, my materials, the art materials that I use is handmade paper, and it's made of trees, bark. Because the one thing that directly affects me is if the water got polluted, the quality of the paper will be not as good as before. But this is just one of the things that affect me. The bigger issue is I noticed that in 2013 when I went back to Beijing, the air pollution was really, really bad. You cannot see from here to there. It's all muggy and foggy. You can smell the air is not that good, and I got headache. I couldn't get enough oxygen, and for days the weather is like that. So I have to do something to respond, because people just start to getting used to it. They wear masks, and nobody in the government, nobody issue this, and they talk about something else. So that's that year that I start to really pay attention to the environment. I think in Beijing, my hometown, I couldn't stand just like this, to live like this. And yeah, so I work with, I also like to work with different spaces. So whenever I can grab the elements from the light, from the natural light, or you saw the work that I did with the water, that I try my best to do the work that when people look at my work, go into my work, they can feel that we live in a place that we have to, there's something that we have to share. We have to take care of it. It's not just so busy with your own things, or don't care about other people, or don't care about the plant. We have to have this conscious to protect the environment. Otherwise, everybody suffer. Suffering is painful. Yes.
Yes, especially for the next generation, because they expect to have the same kind of opportunities that we have, and yet
Yes.
it's getting more and more polluted.
Yeah, even the kids, they never see the blue sky, and they never be able to play outside. In school, the physical class, it just stay inside. It's just not right. Yeah, we cannot live like that.
That's right. And my last question is, you are someone who was born in Beijing and have lived in New York. What do you think American and Chinese women can share with each other and help each other? Are there certain things that you gain from being part of both cultures?
Oh yes, especially living in New York, I benefits a lot. Because in China, the culture is different. In school, we are maybe have a strict requirements, or not as free as we do here in school. So before I came out from China, I used to do the paintings to compare mine to others, to see who's better, who's not. But here, actually, everybody's different. You cannot say, oh, I'm better, you're not. And everybody did their best. And everybody do the paintings differently. It's not comparable. So that's important. It's an important lesson for me. So I can go inside myself to see what I wanted. I don't need to compare to others. I just tried my best and to be true to myself. And that's the lesson I learned. The first lesson I learned when I left China.
It's that saying, to thine own self be true,
Right.
and it is a good lesson to learn.
Yes, and also I like to live here, to work here, because the big environment is much healthier and free. That's you cannot deny it. It's just more freedom. I mean, although in China we have getting better and better. Every artist has a bigger studio, maybe much bigger than my studio in New York. But in my mind, I think I have a much bigger space.
So thank you so much. Wonderful talking with you.
Oh, yeah, thank you.